If you're looking for a highly functional, compact SUV with a lot of function, great looks, look no further. 22 Jeep Compass High Altitude in velvet red. The contrast looks really sharp, so you gotta take a look at this. Pay attention to the features too. The high altitude package comes with all the trim blacked out, the wheels looking sharp, standing tall. We also have 5-function LED projector headlamps. It does come with 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, so it's a super safe vehicle as well. Rear window wiper and washer, of course. The adaptive cruise control with stop and go, so great on those travel plans with the family. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, a 10.1-inch touchscreen display navigation, which is an upgrade. A rear backup camera system, comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a remote start system, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, and it comes with a gas-saving 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Search stock number D6794.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.